Tangsala Rajakhor Agulini Hotel Polo Tower Khlaijakha for International Agar Conclave and Buyer Seller Meet-2024 Manjaka Hastani Montri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Shaha Bolong Montri Onomish de Burma Chief Secretary J.K. Sinha Khorang
Abahikino Ashalo Kok Sanani Tangi Hastani Montri Okra Professor Dr. Manik Shaha Shaka Tripura Hastio Agar Bufangrok Tebu Kahamke Khlaijakha ni Bagai Abahikino Agar word Polishibu Khlaijakha Hane Arwa Bahike Bufangno Kainete, Boba Hike Nikolzak, Abunutibu Shazaka Koklam, Obufangni Bishingti, Dalbidal Manish Namimana Hane, Abahikino Hasino Shakanget Langani Bagay, Belakino Nankong Mani Hane.
Today we have gathered here for the 4th International Agar Conclave and Buyer Seller Meet 2024 at Hotel Polo Towers, Agartala. And in this occasion, we have with us our Honorable Minister, Department of Forest, Sri Unimesh Burma, who has elaborately told before you and all of us that what we should do in future and what are the challenges we have so that in future we can go ahead. We have with us our Chief Secretary, Sri J.K. Sinha, Sri Shakti Bina Shukla, Director FFTC, Kanwoj, Lucknow, Sri Sanjay Garwal, Co-Chairman, Confederation of Indian Institute, Northeast Zone, Sri R.K. Shamal, PCCF, Government of Tripura, Sri Prasad Rao, Director NCE, Sri Praveen L. Agarwal, Chief Executive Officer and Project Director JICA, delegates from India and abroad, entrepreneurs, buyers, sellers, officials of forest and line department, senior forest officials from Assam, Meghalaya and other northeastern regions, and my dear media friends. This is the third time that I have been invited to come over here to witness this occasion. And that time our Honorable Minister, Forest Minister already mentioned that time it was with me, that department. So anyway, so in this occasion I am very glad to stand before you, and it is with immense pride and joy that I welcome you all to the 4th International Agarwood Conclave and Buyer Seller Meet here in Agartala. This gathering of distinguished delegates, esteemed experts, entrepreneurs, stakeholders from across the globe marks another significant milestone in our collective journey to elevate the agarwood sector to new heights. Today, as we assemble here, we carry forward a tradition that started in 2021. Now this annual conclave has grown into a hallmark event, a platform for dialogue, collaboration and innovation that showcases Tripura's commitment to sustainable growth and global leadership in the agarwood industry.
Abahikino Ashalo Kok Sanani Tangi Hastani Montri Okra Nankong Mani Tebu Kok Shaka Bureau Report Chini Khorang.